Let me show you how you guys can make a link on iPhone. So for this video's example, I'm going to make a link from a website, let's say. So I'm gonna go to this website, okay? So let's say I want to share this website. So what I can do is click on this link over here, and what I can do is just click on it and copy it. That's how I can make a link, and now I can paste it anywhere it's going to be shared. But let's say for an example, you want to copy link in a more iPhone way. So for that, I'm just going to open up YouTube video for an example. Let's say I want to share this video. What I can do is simply just click on share, and then this thing will open up. Now once you get this, most people get confused on how to make a link from here. You don't see any link, but you can see this option copy. Click on copy and it's going to be copied. Now once you copied it, you have basically made yourself a link. Now you can just go to wherever you want and paste it. So for an example, so right now I'm inside my notes app. I can click on it and click on paste. The link is going to be pasted over here. That's how we guys can do it. Now for an example, I pasted on notes, but you can paste it on a message or on Facebook, anywhere. That's how we guys can copy link on iPhone, okay? So subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.